Ready to turn your Squarespace skills into a profitable side hustle by selling stunning website templates on Etsy? First, fire up Squarespace and start designing. Focus on creating niche templates that cater to specific industries or needs, like photographers, restaurants, or online stores. Make them visually appealing and user-friendly. Think clean layouts, professional typography, and strategic use of images. Customize the colors, fonts, and content to create different variations of your base template. This gives your potential buyers more choices in your Etsy shop. Remember to make your templates easily customizable so your customers can personalize them to their own branding. Next, create clear instructions on how to install and customize your template, and provide demo content that customers can easily replace with their own package. These instructions as a PDF guide. It's a good idea to record a short video tutorial too. Now head over to Etsy and create a listing for your Squarespace template. Use high-quality mockups and lifestyle images to showcase your template in action. Write a compelling description highlighting the features and benefits of your template. Price your templates competitively, considering the value and time you've invested. Finally, market your templates through Etsy SEO, social media, and even collaborations with other Etsy sellers. Respond quickly to customer inquiries and provide excellent support. Good luck and happy selling!